Do you want them or do you want me to get them?
You can get them. Whoa! That's a big cat, dude. Dap me up.
Oh, smell them. Oh, yeah.
Wiggle that thumb around.
Oh, God. He's scared now.
Yeah.
Ooh.
You got him?
He's in front of the hole now.
Okay. You got him?
I got him. Camera on?
Yeah.
He's pretty good.
Ooh. Dude, that's a hog. Holy cow, that's a 25-pounder. Dang.
Put him on fire.